Before use, first place the grill rack at the bottom of the glass cooking pot. Then insert the glass cooking pot into the air fryer for proper operation. When the unit is plugged in, all indicators illuminate for 0.5 seconds with a long beep. Then the screen turns off, leaving only the power button flashing. Press the power button to enter standby mode. If there is no operation for 2 minutes, the machine will enter the screen off mode again. Press the function buttons to switch functions. The selected function light will flash while the others stay on. The display switches between the default time and temperature every 5 seconds. Once you select a function, press the power button to start. Press the power button again to stop the procedure. In mode selection mode, press time temp button to enter the time setting mode. Then use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the time. Press the time temp button to enter the temperature setting mode. Then use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the temperature. Long press the plus or minus buttons for quick adjustments. After setting the desired time and temperature, press the power button to confirm and start cooking. When cooking is finished, and appears on the display and the power indicator blinks, while all other indicators turn off. Press the power button for 1.5 seconds to shut down the unit.